Hello everyone, and I am Rudan, and I am here to give you a brief about DMRC Psycho Test pattern. And this Psycho Test is conducted for station controller, train operator, and CRA position. Okay. So basically, what is Psycho Test? Psycho Test is a series of tests conducted in a single day. Okay, single day, and the day after the document verification process. This Psycho Test contain different tests. You can see test number 1 is embedded figure test, number 2 is figure association test, number 3 is memory test, number 4 is observation test, number 5 is personality or aptitude test. In the test number 1, embedded figure test, a complex figure is given and we need to mark the simple figure in the given figure. So you can see the question, find the figure A is triangle in the given figure. Given figure is the extreme left, and the solution, in the solution you can see the simple figure, that triangle in that complex figure. Okay, so this test will be performed on the given booklet. So they'll give you a booklet on which you have to mark these answers. Okay, and this marking will be done by pencils only. So, and the total question they asked in this section is 25, and they give you time about 10 minutes or so. Okay, the test number 2, the figure association test. In this test, some small figures are given, as you can see in X, and we have to find the correct option. Okay, so if you move these figure in some pattern, you will find the answer, that will be 1. Okay, so for these answer they will give you the OMR sheet, and you have to fill the OMR, you have to fill the answer in the OMR. Okay, and the total question they asked 25. Okay, and the time limit for this section is 5 minutes. So you have to keep doing as fast as you can. Okay, in the test number 3, that is memory test, the total question they asked 21 questions in one set, so there will be a total of 42 number question. Okay, and the time they give you 5 minutes per set, and in the 5 minutes they will give you 2.5 minutes for memorizing these picture number combinations, and after that you have to fill that answer in the on the next page or OMR sheet, whichever is given to you. Okay, in the next 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, so you will be you can see in this test you will be asked to memorize the 21 picture number combination in first 22 minutes and 30 seconds, and then asked to go the test pages which show the pictures in different orders. Okay, and those questions will be multiple choice question, you can see below. You will be asked to indicate the number that go with them. Example is given below. This one, learn this picture for a moment. And you can do it by some tricks, that the chair is shown is have 3 legs and they should be have 4, so you can remember 34 for chair and 46 for any key. 55 rupees you need to, if you need to buy a pen, you should have 55 rupees, that kind of tricks. Okay, so in the next slide you can see the bus, pen, key, headphone, chair, kangaroo. So these are all the questions they asked, so you have to put the right one. For the bus, the answer would be C, that is 10. If you go back to the previous slide, you can see the bus is connected with that 10 number, pen is connected with 55 number, so the answer of second question will be 2. Second question will be D. Okay, and so on. So in the test number 4, that is observation test, and the total question they asked in this section is 30 questions, and the time limit is 5 minutes. Okay, in this test you will be asked to find the same figure as given figure from a set of 5 or 6 figure, as you can see below. Extreme left is the given figure, the question figure. Okay, and you have to find the figure that matched by that extreme left figure. Okay, so if you go through the whole diagram, you can see there will be two triangles in the third column. Okay, and only fourth and fifth are those having that triangles. So you have to pick up as soon as possible to find that jumbles to do these kind of questions. Okay, so you can see in the first in figure number 5 is same as in first question. Okay, in second question also the figure number 5 is as same as the figure. Okay, so the test number 5 is personality or aptitude test. So in this test the question they ask there will be 36 questions, and their time give you 10 minutes. Okay, this is generally an aptitude test, and you are required to answer all the questions according to your aptitude and conscience. Aptitude and conscience, that means you have to put that answer which comes to your mind as soon as possible. Okay, you have not to worry or think about that question along, because you can see the time limit is defined for just for 10 minutes. You have to do 36 question in 10 minutes. Okay, so for example, the leader of any group should possess the quality of self-interest, welfare, and or interest of group. So you have to be a positive you have to be in positive approach to mark these questions. So the positive approach will be the interest of group. You can see the self-interest is mean egoistic approach, and that will be kind of negative. And welfare is kind of welfare to people, then you will be you can't do all the welfare to everybody and against the interest of group, against the group. You have to make a you have to keep the unity in the group. Okay, so the interest of group is the right answer in that kind of question. And you can see in the second question, the only son of my father's father is my, obviously that answer will be father. Okay, you can do it by if you have remember the blood relations in reasoning tests. You can do the practice on that questions. Okay, so any queries and suggestions, for any query suggestions or any feedback, you can contact me on that mobile number 8130132142, and you can email me on gagan.sani111@outlook.com. Make sure if you call me before call, you should WhatsApp me on that number. Okay, so that will be fine for me. Okay, so all the best for psycho test, and thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Bye.